Today, we're diving into a powerful spreadsheet template that helps you track and manage work tax deductions, log working from home hours, record depreciating assets and mileage. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or just looking to maximize your tax refunds, this tracker is your go-to tool for simplifying tax time. Start by downloading the Tax Deductions Tracker spreadsheet template from our Etsy shop. It's designed to streamline your tax preparation process. Tax deductions are expenses related to your work that reduce your taxable income, ultimately lowering your tax liability. Open the downloaded spreadsheet. You'll find separate tabs or sections for different types of trackers: work expenses, working from home, depreciating assets, and mileage. In the Work Expenses tab, customize the tracker by selecting your currency, entering your personal information in the designated fields, and editing the expense categories to suit your needs. In the Work Expenses or Work Deductions tab, record each expense you incur throughout the year. Type the date, the payee, select expense category from the drop-down menu, tick the box if you have the receipt, add details of the expense, and type the amount. The template uses built-in formulas to calculate totals automatically. In the Expense Summary section, if an expense category is used for both personal and work purposes, you can specify a work usage percentage. The tracker will then only include the work-related portion in your total tax deduction. For those working from home, navigate to the Timesheet tab. Record daily time in and time out, work done, and add any unpaid breaks. The template includes built-in formulas to calculate total hours worked based on your inputs. Go to the Depreciating Assets tab. Enter details for each tool or equipment you have purchased for work, including the purchase date, the store where you bought the item, whether you have the receipt, tick the box if applicable, a description of the item, the purchase cost, and the work usage percentage if the item is used for both personal and work purposes. These details will be handy for your accountant to compute your depreciation claims. Lastly, use the Mileage Tracker tab to track mileage or kilometers for work purposes. Add your car details. Select mileage or kilometers from the drop-down menu to customize the tracker. Record each trip with the date, starting point, destination, travel description, and the starting and ending odometer readings. The template includes built-in formulas to calculate total mileage or kilometers based on your inputs. At tax time, print and compile data from each tab. That's it. You've learned how to use our Tax Deductions Tracker. Stay organized throughout the year to maximize your tax refunds and simplify your tax filing process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.